All right. Yep.
All right. Back at it. We gotta get the wiring out of the Subaru so we can get rid of this thing. We did tow it up from the driveway into the backyard, and we had it stuck behind the shed. And now we gotta get it out. So start by tearing the fenders off and getting the wiring up to there, and then we're going to rip the interior out. It does look like it's going to rain, so we might get a little bit wet, but we'll see what happens with that. And that's just the goal, to get every piece of wiring out of it, and then we'll use whatever we're going to use. I know I don't need anything with the ABS, but like I said, we'll get as much out of it as possible, and then call a junkyard and get it out of here.
We finally got the trunk open. It just took us, well, it took Dad 30 minutes. We got the fenders off and all the wiring pulled back to the best of our ability. We just have to get the seats out, the dash out, the floor out, everything else. But so far, that's what we've got. Okay. It's all out. We have all our parts that we need. And here it is. Here's your car. Here's what makes your car run and everything. Not run, but you know what I mean. Lights, seats, windows, radio, heat, all that. All that good stuff. And here's all our junk. If you want junk, come get it. Message us. Doors, hood. Pretty sure we're selling the tires too. Seats, front and back. You don't want the trunk. We don't have. Oh, I almost just ate it. We had to cut off the latch. So you don't want the trunk. But whatever you need that's not any of that, or anything with wiring, you can get the headlights, whatever. Message us, you can have them. Wipers, whatever you want. Message them. We'll set a price. Come grab it. Okay. Thanks for watching. Peace, love. Catch you when we catch you. We're done with the Subaru, I believe, though. So, I'm working on the bus now. Peace out.